The sun rises over Alexandria, a city of marble and fire. The sea glows like liquid gold, mirroring a dynasty's ambition. In marble halls, an 18-year-old queen ascends, Cleopatra VII, daughter of Ptolemy. Her brother, Ptolemy XIII, plots in shadows, a kingdom divided at birth. Cleopatra moves through corridors, her sandals silent on stone. She knows knowledge is the sharpest blade. At night, she studies scrolls of Greek and Egyptian lore. She learns to speak to gods and generals alike. The people whisper her name, not in fear, but in fascination. Then comes the storm, exile, betrayal. Her banners fall as her brother takes the crown. Exile hardens her will. Across the sands, she gathers loyal hearts and whispers of destiny. In secret, she sails home, her spirit unbroken. Ahead, a Roman flag flutters. Julius Caesar has arrived. Through cunning and courage, she enters the palace wrapped in a rug, reborn in the lion's den. From exile to empire, she reclaims her crown, not with swords, but with wit and charm sharper than steel. The world bends to her. Egypt's last pharaoh, the woman who ruled the rulers. For Cleopatra, power was never given. It was taken, forged, and remembered through time. And though the centuries fade, her name endures, the queen who turned history into legend.